Hey, welcome to hashtag Straight Poop Poopers. Thanks for joining us again. I'm making steak ranchera. I got a friend named Pancho who owns a Mexican place. He's owned it for about 12 years. And I said, you know, I want to make some steak ranchera for the video. He says, great. I said, what kind of steak do you use when you make it here? I use sandwich steak, USDA Prime. Sandwich steak? Yeah, it's tender, it's thin, it takes the marinade. Okay, so what's in the marinade? Oh, all you do is take some tomatillo, you put them in a blender with some tomato, or just a little tomato, some pepper, and some spices like garlic, salt, and pepper. Pulverize it and marinate it. So for 2 days, so that's what I did. Now I took it out of a Ziploc bag and I put it on the grill. So it's simple, it takes no time. There's one. And what we're gonna do is, man, we are cooking this side. And we straighten that out. Okay. And we are topping it with a ranchero. Let me get this thing here. Getting all over my hand, but that's okay. Yeah. Then you just let that cook down a little bit, okay? It's no big deal. And you remove that to a platter. After about 1.5 minutes, because you don't want to go past medium on this, okay? So this is steak ranchera. It's in our e-cookbook. Let me give you this beauty shot out here. I've got a really nice platter. Yeah. Let me stretch that out. Okay, man. In fact, we're gonna go inside and give you a proper beauty shot. Okay? So, hang loose. We'll be right back. Hey poopers, welcome back to hashtag Straight Poop. Ranchera steak. Beautiful. I squeezed some lime on that. I left half a lime for the customer or for you to eat. I always think catering, it's always a customer or client, but you guys aren't, you're my guests. Half a avocado sliced, and I warmed a couple corn tortillas, MAIZ. I also took a picture of this and showed it to my friend Pancho, and he got back to me a few seconds and says, looks great, looks authentic. So I'm happy with that. Hopefully you guys will take advantage of the recipe and grab our free cookbook. It's available at the comments section, and pinned to the top is the link. Grab it. 125 barbecue cannabis recipes. This one's in there. So that's about it. My dogs love having you here, learning all sorts of stuff, eating all sorts of our samples. And we'll see you next time here on hashtag Straight Poop. You're waiting on us. You're loafing. Hang loose.